Understanding workshop resources in English learning. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a useful and interesting topic that can benefit all English language learners and educators: workshop resources. This concept is not only pivotal in enhancing your learning experience but also in organizing effective educational workshops. Let's unfold what workshop resources mean and how they can be utilized in English language learning environments. Workshop resources refer to the variety of materials, tools, and support mechanisms provided during a workshop to facilitate learning and engagement. These resources can include handouts, multimedia presentations, interactive activities, and access to online platforms. They are designed to complement the workshop's content, making learning more interactive, practical, and enjoyable for participants. 1. Printed materials. These are traditional yet effective resources, including worksheets, booklets, and quick reference guides. They provide learners with tangible materials that can be revisited after the workshop. 2. Digital tools. In today's tech-driven world, digital tools play a crucial role. These include educational software, apps, and websites that offer interactive exercises, videos, and quizzes. 3. Physical tools. Depending on the workshop's focus, physical tools such as board games, flashcards, and role-play costumes can enhance the learning experience by encouraging participation and memorization. 4. Expert guidance. Often overlooked, access to instructors or experts for questions, feedback, and further explanation is a valuable resource that enhances understanding and engagement. Workshop resources are vital in creating an effective learning environment. They cater to different learning styles, whether visual, auditory, or kinesthetic, ensuring that all participants can engage with the material in a way that suits them best. Furthermore, these resources can provide real-life context to language learning, making it more relevant and easier to grasp. We hope this video has shed light on the significance of workshop resources in English language learning. Remember, the right resources can transform a good workshop into a great one, making learning not only more effective but also more enjoyable. We encourage educators to incorporate a variety of resources in their workshops and learners to explore these resources fully. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. See you in the next video.